every girl will need the man sometimes, because different things happen to the girl. In fact, there are so many things happening in her mind at the same time that we are not even considering, we are not even entertaining, we cannot even imagine that things are going on in her mind. But a lot of things are going on in her mind, and they are not always positive. So the person that is around her needs to be creating those positive impulses into her and directing them towards her. And that is why a girl needs not just fondness to tell her you are fond of her, but she needs fondling. Fondling. Now, fondness is to let her know how, you care for her and you love her and, you all that. But not just when you want to make love to her. Because, the problem of men is that men don't always know these things that I'm talking about. So when a woman shows a sign of weakness, or when a woman shows that she needs the man, or she needs man's attention, men always thinks, oh, she wants me to sleep with her. That's a pity. I'm so sorry. That's a pity. It's a shame. It's a shame, really. And the reason it's a shame is because men are not taught. We are not taught otherwise. Because men are totally different. The only way men understand love and care and others, men don't need a lot of those fondness, tenderness, care. In fact, they see those things as a sign of weakness. So the only sign of love that a man really needs is sex. And that's why they only express love through sex. So women, you shouldn't be too hard on your husbands as well, and on the men. Why are they so thinking about sex all the time? Because that is the only language, love language they know. That's the only way they express their own love.